Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is part 3 of our discussion on prepositions of place. This is an A2 level lesson. We're going to continue talking about in, at, and on, but now we're going to add the phrases the bottom, the middle, the top, the middle, and the bottom that we can use with each of these. Okay, so what is the title of the chapter? The title is A Christian Hero at Drury Lane. What is the page number? The page number is 129. And what is the largest letter on the page? It's a W. So we would say the title is at the top of the page. The page number is at the bottom of the page. And the letter W is at the beginning of the first sentence. We can say at the top, as in write your name at the top of the page. There is a sunset at the top of this picture. We also say at the bottom, there is a picture at the bottom of the page. There is a dog at the bottom of the painting. So now, complete the sentences using the phrases from the boxes. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to continue. So, at the end of the day, I often leave the office and meet my friends for dinner. I dropped my camera over the side of the boat. I guess the camera is sitting at the bottom of the sea now. At the end of the story, the little girl was lost in the forest. The cat is sitting at the bottom of the stairs. She won't come upstairs. I can't find my keys, but I suppose they are somewhere at the bottom of my bag. You can usually find the table of contents at the beginning of a book. At the end of a movie, you can see the names of the characters and actors. At the top of the painting, there were some white fluffy clouds. Alright, so now see if you can think of a way to describe these pictures. Well, for these we would use in. So Sophie woke up suddenly in the middle of the night. There's a table in the center of the room. The lamp is in the corner of the room. We can say in the center. The cinema is in the center of town. The children sat in the center of the room. We could also say in the middle. I can't talk now. I'm in the middle of a meeting. The sun is hottest in the middle of the day. The arrow is in the center of the target area. So here the center is the midpoint of an area. And he is standing in the middle of the line. The middle is the point between two sides. In American English, you can often, I won't say always, but you can often use center or middle in the same way. But you cannot use center with an expression of time. In the corner is for an area inside a boundary. So the boy is sitting in the corner of his room. The lamps are in the corners of the living room. at the corner or on the corner. At the corner or on the corner are for an area outside a boundary. So she is waiting on the corner of the street. He is standing on the corner of the football pitch. So at the corner or on the corner. So you can use both. For all English speakers, at the corner and on the corner have the same meaning. So where are you? I've been waiting at the corner for almost half an hour. Where are you? I've been waiting on the corner for almost half an hour. So here, at and on have the same meaning, and it doesn't matter which one you use. But you cannot use in the corner here because these are not boundaries within another space because they're outside. You cannot say in the corner when you're talking about the intersection between two streets. All right, now use these phrases to complete the sentences. You can pause the video and write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. So there is a small supermarket at the corner of Smith and Harper Streets. Can you see the 3 books on the shelf? Please give me the one in the middle. Alice Springs is a large town in the center, or you could also say in the middle of Australia. And when I was a child at school, the naughty children had to stand in the corner of the classroom. Who is that woman sitting in the corner of the room? Do you know her? Can you please place the vase of flowers in the center? And you could also probably use middle there as well, in the center of the table. Michael arrived at the office in the middle of the meeting. The boss was furious. Here we could not use in the center though, because this is a time phrase. So the meeting had already started. He came in, during the time that the meeting was going on. So you cannot use in the center with a time phrase. So wait for me at the corner of Park and Main Street. I'll be there in 5 minutes. So in Britain, people drive on the left of the road. In most countries, people drive on the right. Now we're going to match the sentence to the picture. The coffee shop is on the right on this street. So that would be picture C. There are vacant seats on my left. That would be picture B. And the ingredients are on the side of the packet, picture A. So now look around the room that you are in right now and answer these questions. What can you see on the left? What can you see on the right? What is in the center of your room? And what is in the corner of your room? All right, now you can pause the video, write down your answers to these sentences using in, at, or on, and then restart when you're ready to continue. I think you should hang that picture in the center of the wall. In this photo, I am standing on the right-hand side. Your nose is in the center. You could either say in or on, I believe, in or on the center of your face. In Australia, people drive on the left. Kids, please don't play in the middle of the street. Walk 200 meters and you will find a pharmacy on the corner of the street. I really like that statue in the corner of the room. Ladies and gentlemen, on your left, you will see a famous painting by Raphael. All right, so now use at the top of, at the bottom of, in the middle, on the left or on the right to describe the things that you might see in a supermarket. And you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. All right, the same for this picture of a farm. Describe what you see at the top of the picture, at the bottom of the picture, on the left side, on the right side, and in the middle. And now use the same phrases to describe these paintings. What do you see at the top of the painting, at the bottom, on the left, on the right, and in the center? So top, bottom, left, right, and center, or middle. And here is a map of a town. You can also use the phrases that we've learned to describe where places are located in a town. For example, if I said, "Where is the bakery?" you could say the bakery is at the corner of Tyson Way and Haywood Street. You could also say the bakery is to the right of the bank. Where is the park? The park is on Eldridge Avenue, or it's at the corner of Eldridge Avenue and Haywood Street. So just, pause the video and see how well you can describe each of the places that are shown on this map. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.